I'm trying to film my intro, but it's really burning. This stuff is no joke. Oh. Hi, it's Krista and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a really quick look of my actual everyday makeup that I would wear on a daily basis, like to work and stuff. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I already have my eyebrows on with the Kylie Cosmetics pencil and gel. So I'm going to prime my face with this Cover FX blurring primer. I'm going to put this in a T-zone where I have more pores. And blend it in. So basically I'm just doing like just a simple everyday look. Basically my everyday makeup that I would wear if I was like going to work or just like going out of the house. But since I'm not going anywhere because of quarantine, I'm doing my makeup for fun right now basically, and to go to the living room and watch Netflix. Okay, so I brought Urban Decay and the Too Faced Born This Way foundation over here. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but probably mix a little combination because this Urban Decay one is pretty light for me and I think this Too Faced one is a little dark right now, so I'm gonna mix a little bit of both on the back of my hand. So I think I'm going to, I've never tanned myself at home before, like self-tanned or even spray tanned. I've never gotten a spray tan because I'm so afraid of coming out like patchy and gross. But I think that I'm going to give in because of this situation. I think I'm gonna either like get something at like Walmart or CVS or something, and I'm gonna do a little self-tanner because I just can't. I really don't want to be so pale. I was hoping to go on vacation for my birthday, so I had been going to the tanning bed a little bit to kind of get a little color before we go, but now I guess we're not going anywhere because I guess they extended the quarantine until April 30th, which is my birthday. So it really makes me sad, honestly. I'm not sure when this video is going to go up, but if you haven't already, I think this video is going to go up before my giveaway ends, but if you haven't already, on my last video I have a giveaway going on. So if you guys want to enter in the giveaway, it's really easy. All you have to do is watch till the end of my video and you can see how to enter on that video. I'll link it in the description box and I'll put it at the end of the screen if you want to enter. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me concealer in Sand. Whenever I'm doing like a lighter look where I'm really not doing much, I like to use this concealer because it's not as thick as the Too Faced concealer, but I pretty much use the Too Faced concealer anytime I'm like gonna be like actually going out or doing something or doing like a full face of makeup. This is the e.l.f. sponge, the same one that I use almost all the time. Ow, I just poked myself in the eye. So there's really not much going on right now. I feel like everybody's kind of in the same position. We're all just like freaking sitting at home doing the same things every day. I pretty much have like, I did all of Cord's laundry basically, and which was a lot, and pretty much just cleaned every day. I just kind of like do the same thing every day, like sleep in till, which is sleeping in for me till like 10, because usually I have to be at work at 9, so I sleep in till maybe like 9 or 10 and then get up, like cook breakfast, clean the kitchen, hang out for a while and then just kind of do whatever. So I started watching Quantico yesterday again. I watched that show whenever it like first came out, whenever it was on TV, and I really liked it, but I think I just never kept watching it. Like I don't think I ever caught like the second season. So I started watching that again on Netflix yesterday. I really like that show. I forgot about it. So I'm going in with the Fit Me concealer in Cafe. The same concealer, just in a darker shade. And this Real Techniques brush to cream contour a little. I usually don't apply it on my skin because it leaves like marks and it's harder to blend out. I don't know why I just did that. I'm going to take the concealer and put it on the back of my hand and pick it up on the brush instead of applying it to my face. I'm just going to like put that right in my cheekbone, just in a stippling motion. I think I'm going to film a little home workout. We've been getting like the garage, turning the garage a little bit into a little bit of a gym. I'm gonna try to work out more and maybe film my little workout that I come up with. I'm gonna take the Pretty Vulgar, I want it to spill everywhere, the Pretty Vulgar powder with the sponge and dab it on my hand to get off the excess and use that to set my under eyes. I'm also gonna take that powder and set my forehead and around my mouth. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in Toasty. It looks pretty light in the pan, but it builds up really nicely. And this Aesthetica brush that I always use for bronzer. Okay, then I'm gonna take this Moda Pro brush, crease brush, and that Kylie Cosmetics bronzer and just put it in my crease. I'm really not doing anything. Just gonna like accentuate my crease just so that it's slightly defined and it looks like you tried but you really didn't. I'm just gonna take that same brush and run it on my lower lash line. Actually, I'm gonna switch over to a pencil brush because I just stabbed myself in the eye. This is a Crown C513, I think it says. I can hardly read it, it's all rubbed off. I use this brush like every day. Ow! Okay, I'm a joke today. Let me just look in this little mirror. I'm gonna take that brush and run it on the sides of my nose. I know I already did this with a bigger brush, but I just want to define it a little bit more. I'm taking the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in Queen Drip. And I'm taking this fan brush that I don't know where it came from. I've just had it forever. It doesn't even have a name. I like to use a fan brush for like an everyday application because it's lighter and it's not as intense. Okay, so I'm using this Bodyography brush. It doesn't have a name. And I'm gonna take that Queen Drip and put it in my inner corners, my brow bone, and my nose, and my Cupid's bow. I like to build it up on the inner corner. I'm gonna go back with that brush I used in my crease just to make sure that that brow bone is blended out good. I'm gonna apply some mascara, the Petite and Pretty. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I have pretty decent lashes. So on an everyday basis, like just going to work, I actually don't wear false lashes, but because I'm really not doing anything and I just want to look cute, I'm gonna put some on today. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on my lashes. These are gonna be Kiss. I'm gonna put on these Kiss Flirty lashes. I have some that I've already worn, so I'm gonna put these on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just popped on those lashes. This one is giving me a hard time. I've used these lashes like probably 6 or 7 times already, so they're starting to look a little rough. But basically this look is done. If I was going to work, I probably, sometimes I don't even line my lips. I just throw on like a NYX butter gloss. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to line my lips and put on a gloss. This is the LA Girl lip liner in Cafe. Over top of that, I'm just going to put the Too Faced lip injection. So since I'm not going anywhere, I'm not even going to do my hair. I'm just really going to the living room. So this is the finished look. This is pretty much my everyday look minus the lip. I would just put on like a chapstick or a NYX butter gloss. I always wear, the one I always wear is right here, Tiramisu, and the other one, Angel Food Cake. I like that one too. So it's like a pinky gloss. I almost always wear that. And obviously I wouldn't wear lashes to work every day, but this is pretty much my look for the most part. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.